Hi, Stefan Swartling here. Smart homes and doing automations with smart accessories like lights and smart plugs and more is one of my biggest hobbies. And I try to use Apple HomeKit as much as possible. So to me it's important that smart accessories works with Apple HomeKit. But that is not always the case. That's why I decided to use an Aqara M1S Zigbee 3.0 HomeKit supported hub. This hub supports Apple HomeKit, so I can use all the Aqara equipment and accessories with Apple HomeKit by using this hub in between. So by installing the Aqara M1S in your home, then you can buy, for example, sensors for air quality, motion sensors, light sensors, alarms, security cameras, and much more that supports the Aqara M1S hub. By supporting Aqara M1S hub, then you can use all those accessories in Apple HomeKit too. That's kinda smart because Aqara equipment, Aqara accessories is quite cheap. Also this hub is also very cheap, so you can have a lot of cool smart home accessories much less expensive with the Aqara M1S hub. The Aqara M1S hub works with both the Aqara Home app and also the Xiaomi Mi Home app, so you can add accessories and the hub in either of those apps. But personally I will use Apple HomeKit for most of the stuff, so I will not use the Aqara app or the Xiaomi app much at all actually. Unfortunately though, you need to have your phone or tablet on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band when installing this hub, so it could be quite problematic if you only have 5 GHz, for example in a Wi-Fi mesh system or something, because if you don't have the Wi-Fi network on 2.4 GHz when adding this hub, then it can't find it in the Aqara app or the Xiaomi app. It can only be found in the Apple HomeKit app then. That's a huge drawback for me because I use the Google Wi-Fi mesh system and there is no way to choose 2.4 GHz band instead of 5 GHz band. But the hub has a really cool feature built in with an alarm system, so you can use that for activating an alarm, for example with a motion sensor or something, so it will sound a really high alert when the alarm goes. And the hub also has a light built in that you can use through Apple HomeKit if you want, so you can activate both the alarm built in to the hub and also the light directly from Apple HomeKit. So you get two accessories installed automatically by using this hub, an alarm system and a light. It's also important to choose the right server when using this hub, because if you choose the wrong server from the beginning, then you need to do all your automations and everything all over again if you want to switch server. So you can use the Chinese server, for example, with a lot of accessories, or in my case the Europe server with a bit less accessories to choose from, sadly though. So you can decide between different servers from the beginning. So all in all, this is a cheap option to get more accessories into Apple HomeKit if you want that by using Aqara stuff. You find links down below in the description text where you can buy this hub and a lot more stuff. Heka.com is an excellent site to buy cheap stuff from China, for example, so you can find Aqara stuff on Heka.com. As I said, you find links down below in the description text. Okay, bye.